Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively in an autonomous college. First, understand that these institutions have the freedom to set their own academic standards and course structures. This means you'll encounter unique syllabi and assessment patterns. Embrace this flexibility by exploring the specialized programs and advanced electives available. It's a chance to tailor your education to your interests and career goals, often leading to more industry-relevant skills. To maximize your learning, begin by thoroughly understanding your college's specific academic calendar, grading system, and attendance policies. Autonomous colleges often have distinct rules, so staying informed is crucial. Dive deep into the curriculum, especially the specialized electives that align with your passions. Make the most of the advanced library resources, digital databases, and research facilities. These tools are designed to support your in-depth study and project work, giving you an edge. Effective study techniques are paramount. Create a personalized study schedule that accounts for your unique course load and personal learning style. Don't hesitate to form study groups. Collaborating with peers can clarify complex concepts and offer new perspectives. Most importantly, actively seek regular feedback from your professors on assignments and projects. Their insights are invaluable for improving your understanding and performance, helping you adapt to the college's specific evaluation methods. Beyond academics, focus on holistic growth. Engage in extracurricular activities, clubs, and societies to develop leadership, teamwork, and communication skills. These experiences are vital for a well-rounded profile. Actively network with your professors and industry professionals. Their guidance can open doors to internships and career opportunities. Remember to check the description for links to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other helpful deals. By embracing these strategies, you'll thrive in your autonomous college journey and prepare for a successful future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.